What is reasonable doubt? Let's talk about it. So, reasonable doubt is the highest standard in our justice system. It's used in criminal cases only, not in civil cases. There's no actual mathematical formula for reasonable doubt. Reasonable doubt is the burden of proof that the prosecution has, meaning the defense or the defendant doesn't have to prove they're innocent. The prosecution, which could be the city attorney, the district attorney, and the U.S. attorney, has to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. There's no mathematical formula, like I said before. Reasonable doubt is based on evidence, the credibility of witnesses. It's not based on your gut feeling. And if the jury decides that there is an alternate story and that story is reasonable, even if it's a little reasonable, then they cannot find the person guilty because reasonable doubt exists and the burden of proof in a criminal case is beyond a reasonable doubt. It's a very high bar, and it's a very high bar by design because it's meant to protect individual liberty in criminal cases. And I believe that is one of the reasons that our justice system is the best in the world because of reasonable doubt. Because you don't have to prove you're innocent. The government has to prove you're guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. And the people who have to make that decision are lay people, the jurors. So reasonable doubt, only used in criminal cases, and it's one of my favorite things. If you are ever accused of a crime and you need someone to convince the jury that there is reasonable doubt in your case, you better call Hash.